Now we're going to go up one level in complexity, and we're going to talk about products with add-ons. Add-ons and variances are pretty close to the same thing. The difference really is if you're controlling or inventory, if you need separate SKUs, or if the variance has a different weight. If you're not controlling inventory and you're not controlling SKUs online, then an add-on could be something simple as small, medium, or large, red, blue, or green. If you are controlling inventory online and you are controlling SKUs, then you'll need to use variances instead. Variances are more complex and give you a lot more flexibility. We'll talk about variances in a minute, but for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about add-ons as in red, blue, and green, small, medium, and large, those type, without additional weights or SKUs, but possibly different amounts. So we'll talk about those. And we're going to talk about those as in related to a t-shirt. So we're going to go ahead and add a new product. Let's give our product a name. Let's give our product a description. And these are just basic, so I'm going to leave them relatively the same. You saw in the previous video that you can make those different. So let's go ahead and upload a product image. So that's a simple shirt. We'll go ahead and use that. So we have a simple logo shirt. We'll go ahead and add it to a category. We're not going to do any tags. We're not going to do any gallery images. We're going to give it a regular price, $49.95. We'll go ahead and put this one on sale. It's taxable standard. We'll go ahead and give it a single SKU. We'll give it a weight. We'll give it a box length. We're not going to link it. We're going to come all the way down here to add-ons. So there's two types of add-ons. There's add-ons that are individual to the item, and then there are add-ons that are global. We'll talk about global add-ons in another video, but in short, if you're going to use something like small, medium, large all the time, you would want to make it a global add-on so you can assign it to a category, and then part of this will already be pre-built for you. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a new group. The first one we're going to call is size. And we're going to call it small. This will be base price of 0. Yeah, I know I can't spell. And large. So we're going to go ahead and stop there for a minute. We'll go ahead and publish this. So we'll take a look at that. We'll go back to our logo items. Now there's a sale banner automatically because we discounted it. Let's look at the standard item first without any add-ons or variances. So this is what it looks like up here. It's pretty simple and clean. So we'll go back to, we've added the size attribute in here, small, medium, and large. So now they can select which size they want. We're going to go ahead and change this to a drop down. So we'll come back over here. We'll go back to add-ons, and instead of check boxes, we'll make it a select box. Hit update. We'll go ahead and refresh our page. So now we have a drop down for size, and we want to make it required. So we'll come back to here. We'll click the triangle, make it required because they have to pick a size. We'll come back here and reload. And I'm doing this so that you can see how each one of these steps affect the look of what the consumer sees. So now there's a star there, and that's telling them that it is required. And there's their options. So we're going to go ahead and add in here an extra large. So we'll go ahead and click to edit. We're going to add a new option, call this extra large. But for extra larges, we're going to charge an additional $2 off the base price that we set up here. So I'll add $2 to it. We're going to go ahead and add another one called extra large. And we're going to go ahead and charge an extra $3 for that one. So we'll come back over here. We'll hit update. We'll come back over here and hit reload. And now when they look at the options, small, medium, large, base price, extra large adds $2, extra large adds $3. And if they select one of these, it automatically does their grand total for them of what everything's going to be in here. So it took $49.95, discounted it by the $10, added the $3 surcharge for the extra large, and added it to the cart, or give them the ability to add to the cart. So now we're going to come back over here and we're going to add a different add-on. We're going to go ahead and new group. We're going to go ahead and call it color. We're going to go ahead and make it a select box. We're going to call this one red, blue, gray. No difference in price. We're going to hit add. Whoops, sorry about that. We'll remove that one. We only need those. I'm just going to hit update. We should probably make that required. They don't want us picking their colors. So I'll make that one required as well. And update. Go ahead and hit reload. So now there's size and color. So we want gray. Add to cart. So that's a simple product with add-ons, no change in weight and no change in SKU, but there could be a change in price.